Getting started with your KitchenAid Glass Tea Kettle. Before using your glass tea kettle for the first time, wash the kettle and steeper by hand in warm, soapy water and dry thoroughly. Run one cycle of water filled to the max fill line at the maximum temperature. When you're ready to brew, fill the kettle with filtered water to your desired level, taking care not to fill past the max fill line. Place the outer kettle lid first onto the kettle, then secure the inner kettle lid into the locked position without the steeper. Place the assembled kettle onto the base. Move the lever to the appropriate temperature for your type of tea. See the steeping chart in your use and care guide for recommended settings. To boil water instead of making tea, slide the lever to the herbal setting. Press the on-off button to start heating your water. The light around the button will flash while heating. While the water is heating, place the tea steeper in the steeper holder and fill with loose leaf tea or tea bags. 1 tablespoon per 10-ounce cup is a great starting point, or follow the recommended amount on your tea packaging. For best results, pre-wet the tea leaves with warm water before placing the steeper into the kettle. When the water has finished heating, the kettle will chime, and the on-off light will stop flashing but remain lit. Twist the inner lid into the unlocked position and remove from the outer lid of the kettle. Then secure the inner lid onto the tea steeper by twisting clockwise. Secure the steeper lid assembly and twist clockwise into the locked position. Allow your tea to steep for the appropriate time as noted in the steeping chart in your use and care guide. When your tea is finished, twist the inner lid counterclockwise to the unlocked position and lift the steeper assembly from the kettle and place it back into the steeper holder. By applying slight downward pressure, remove the lid from the steeper. Then, secure the lid back onto the outer lid of the kettle, making sure it is in the locked position. After reaching your desired temperature, the kettle automatically goes into warm mode and will hold the temperature for 30 minutes until removed from the base. To reactivate warm mode after the kettle has been removed from the base, place the kettle back onto the base and slide the temperature lever to the warm mode position and press the on-off button. Enjoy a perfect cup of tea at home. From KitchenAid.